In this video we will discuss about immune response, in particularly about T cell activation. So let us begin with the, the basic idea, that is, whenever a body come in contact with any foreign thing, either bacteria or anything that is useful or beneficial to the human beings, considered immune system or our body considered that thing as a threat to our body, and it will generate an immune response. So in order to do so, what happens is that this dendritic cell, this is known as dendritic cell before it converts into antigen presenting cell. So dendritic cell recognize that foreign particles and uh, try to eat those foreign particles, we can say that. And when the after some time, when the dendritic cells become mature, it converts into antigen presenting cell, and now its function is to uh, transfer the antigen of the foreign things or foreign bacteria to the naive T cell. And in order to do so, they need to this antigen presenting cell needs to have this major histocompatibility complex that is shown by this cyan color. So with the help of this, it is able to interact with the T cell receptor and uh, can transfer the antigen of the foreign thing to the naive T cell, which is presently in inactive state. So this is known as signal 1, as it is shown here. So this signal 1 is the first step towards activating this T cell. However, signal 1 is not enough. If antigen presenting cell only provide the signal 1 to the T cell receptor, then it will try to activate itself, but before getting fully activated, and it will again go down, or this T cell will die because it does not receive, if they does not receive the signal 2, which is a co-stimulatory molecules. In this figure it is shown that the T cell received both the signal 1 and signal 2. Because of this, T cell gets activated, and when the T cell gets activated, it can now attack or invade the foreign things that is mm, attacking or present in the body. We need to understand that in this figure it is shown only one interaction. So this interaction need to be done with each T cell in order to activate the T cells. And once the T cell gets activated, it can multiply itself and form a uh, immune and can generate a immune response against the foreign things. So however, these T cells are also activated in two different ways. These are the figure of activated T cells. So how, in what forms they are usually exist? They are either as regulatory T cells or memory T cells. The function of regulatory T cells is to uh, control the immune response and slow down and stop the immune response when the foreign invaders are completely been eliminated. Whereas the memory T cell, when these T cells form memory T cells, it will exist in the body for months and years, so that whenever the same foreign things or in general case the same disease attack the body in future, this memory T cell uh, will be able to generate an immune response in a much less time, or than the immune response that has been generated for the first time. So in this way, the memory T cells helps to helps to enhance the immune system or immune response of the body. So this is the reason human beings or uh, the living organism does not get affected by disease by some disease more than once, because our body generates memory T cells against those diseases. That's all for this video. Thank you for your time.